Now before you plug it in, this cable needs some attention. Look, it has a little speaker symbol on it. That's nice. These seem to be incorrectly attached. If I interpret this correctly, the leads are supposed to go through this ribbed channel and then attach to the terminal on this side. You can see this part of the lid is supposed to clamp the wire to this channel so they can't be yanked out easily. The wire insulator seems to be in good condition. It's not dried up or cracked or anything, so I see no reason not to keep the whole cable. Now you can see there is a ground wire here as well. And in the unit the ground wire is connected to the chassis, but this connector does not support a ground wire, so I'm not going to bother with it for now. Alright, let's turn it on and see what happens. No smoke so far. One, two. Whoa! Well, that was stupid. Hello? Hello? The amplification works at least. I'll go in the other room. So now the wire recorder is set in amplifier mode. So now it's just amplifying the signal it gets from the microphone. So hopefully you will hear me loud and clear through the wire recorder's speaker. Okay, let's try to play something. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, the reverse seems to work. Okay, so I guess the felt brakes are too thick. It doesn't have the power to turn it. It's way too much resistance. I hope I don't get copyright claim for that. The wire snapped. Think about the voices on this piece of wire. This may be the last recording of a person, the last chance to ever hear this person's voice again. It has stood the test of time, and now it's garbage. Okay, now the brake pads are even thinner. Let's try again. Maybe there's something else that is jamming the mechanism. Let's remove this center wheel and see if we can get some clues. It seems like this piece is supposed to hold it in the play position, which it seems to be doing right now, but for some reason it doesn't want to do it when the wheel is there. So it seems that this spring here is a little too weak, so if I help it just a little bit by pushing it slightly, you can see the recording stays on. This is the spring that needs to be a bit stronger. Let's try to remove it. So I had this spring laying around. It's about the same length and it should be quite a bit stronger. Let's see how it fits. Let's test it with the wheel. It stays in place. Let's test it for real. Let's turn it on. There we have it! The magic eye indicator tube were giving some weird readings, so I think there's something off here. And I'm guessing it's this 1.1 mega ohm resistor that's causing it. It's giving a reading of 6.7 mega ohms, which is way off. Let's detach it and measure it again. Let's measure it again. It seems to be broken. Yeah, I'm replacing both of them. The other one is much closer to nominal value, but still a little bit outside the tolerances. 1.1 mega ohm resistors are not very common, so I'm going to replace them with these 1 mega ohm resistors I had laying around. They are within the tolerances of this 1.1 mega ohm resistor, so it should be fine. Alright, time to reassemble it. So the recording stopped working all of a sudden, so I'm trying to figure out what causes that. So I'm trying to figure out where the signals go, and I think I have to remove this metal shield in order to see which wire is which. Well, what do you know, there's more capacitors. I guess I should have understood that. It doesn't really make sense to shield these already shielded cables. Well, I guess it's time to order more. The new components are here, let's replace them. Let's not forget 16 Alling.